Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Smart 8 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the app management. Now let's tap on special app access. It should be in this permissions section, and here tap on the install unknown apps. And as you can see, we've got the list. Here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. And of course we can change it. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that in my case, Chrome is right now allowed to install something. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. And of course, you can do it. You can do the same procedure in all other apps. So just tap on it, tap on the switcher, and the same situation if you want to remove previously granted permissions. It works totally the same. Just tap on it and tap on the switcher, and from now on the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.